Okay, how did our experiment work? Well, what do you think from back here? How does it look from back here? Looks pretty good from back here, doesn't it? The contact paper is a little more white than the tape. It's a brighter white. It doesn't stick very well. It doesn't have a very good adhesive to it. So for now, for me to be able to look over from my house and look at it without it driving me nuts, I'll be okay with this. We'll let this stuff, this clear coat, cure up real good. If anything, we really just wanted to stop more of it from peeling off. So can it be done with templates and cutting out of flat vinyl, flat material? Yes, it can. We'll go down to the sign shop and get a couple of feet of white. Hopefully, if it's the same, we're going to take the roll of tape with us and see if it's the same color, because we compared the tape to the contact paper itself, and the tape is pretty much the same color as it is here. It's just an off-white. By itself, it looked nice bright white, but next to this bright stuff, not so much. So we'll take the tape with us down to the vinyl sign shop and see if there's an off-whitish kind of vinyl, or if it's all going to be bright white like that. If we have to, we'll just fudge it in, and we won't even bother clear coating over top of it. I mean, if we can't get it right, then we'll do the next best thing, right? And again, polish the turd and baffle them with BS. So that's it for today. I felt a drop or two, so we know it's coming. I just wanted to get this addressed, so I could feel better about it. But there you go. That's probably what we'll do. We'll do it with vinyl. If it doesn't seem to be the same color or whatever, then maybe we'll just stick it on and leave it on, and we won't bother spending any more money on clear coat, because the rest of it just kind of looks okay. It looks about the same as the other side, but it is shiny. Even the neighbor Stephen, who didn't want me to get paint on his fence, said, "Wow, Robert, boy, that really looks nice." So if you can't baffle him with brilliance, you dazzle him with BS, right? So he must have been dazzled. So hey, it works for me. Down the road we go. That's it for today, guys. We'll talk to you later. Godspeed. God bless. It will get better. I promise you. I feel better. Do you feel better? I feel better about it. Hang in there, y'all. We're praying for you.